Hi, welcome back to your channel, Mr. Chemical 09. In today's video, let's make some fire gel from eggs. Eggs start by breaking it into smaller pieces. Eggs are rich source of calcium. You can use another source for this experiment. I transferred this crushed egg into a beaker. To the beaker, I will add acetic acid. Acetic acid will react with calcium carbonate and will form calcium acetate. If you will try this experiment at home, please make sure that you add eggs in high quantity so that all the calcium carbonate will react with acetic acid and no residue of acetic acid will be left. After this, I waited 10 to 15 minutes but not much reaction happened. Then I decided to add water to it. Just after adding water, the reaction gets started. That means we should be using dilute acetic acid rather than concentrated acetic acid. I have tried to capture some different angle of this reaction. I will let it react for the whole night, and in the morning I will be testing it with sodium bicarbonate. If it will react with sodium bicarbonate, it means some acetic acid is still present here. In the morning it looks something like this. Let's check for acetic acid presence. You can clearly see it's reacting, that means some acetic acid is still there. Whatever, let's move ahead. Here I am trying to filter it with gravitational filtration method. From the upper beaker, the soluble calcium acetate will be going to the lower beaker by this cotton. It is not fast as compared to the other method, so I set it to the traditional method. Yes, I know I should be using funnel here, but due to limited resources I can't. But that's not going to stop me. This video is fast forwarded at many places so that it could be a shorter video, but it took me a lot of time to make it. After this, we need to evaporate all the water present in this solution. For this, I will be boiling it. It looks like it will take a really long time, so I will be doing something that is not allowed in the lab. I will be heating this solution directly. Although it is okay, but it has some acetic acid, so direct heating is not a good idea. Just after this, the solution start bumping like crazy. So it's look nice to see, but although at the same time it is dangerous. By the way, have you put some pressure on the subscribe button yet? If not, go and subscribe. After this, I will be adding ethanol to a separate beaker, and to it I will add calcium acetate. The calcium acetate does not like to mix with the ethanol, but because it has some water still present in here, it will form a gel-like structure, and this will be our fuel gel. Shortly we will be testing it. If you have come this far, thank you so much for watching this video, and please leave a comment that what can I do to make my videos better. You can see still some water here. This may be because of the acetic acid and ethanol must be reacting to form ester and water. For this I am going to apply this gel onto a broken boiling tube. Of course I am not going to do this with my good one. As soon as the boiling tube touches the flame, it starts igniting. It's look really cool. What do you think? Your like, your subscribe and your comment encourages me so much. So thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye.